The night sky often reveals more than just stars and planets. As humanity's presence in space grows, so too does the number of artificial satellites orbiting Earth. These technological marvels, launched for communication, observation, and a myriad of other purposes, streak across our skies, each a tiny point of light against the backdrop of infinity. At the same time, reports of unidentified aerial phenomena, or UAPs, persist. For skywatchers in remote and dark areas like myself in Western Australia, knowing how to distinguish between common satellites and something truly unusual can deepen both curiosity and understanding. In the heart of the outback, far from city lights, the night sky unfolds in all its glory. One of the most common sights for a seasoned skywatcher is the steady passage of a standard communication or weather satellite. These man-made objects, reflecting the sun's light, appear as slow-moving, unwavering points of light gliding across the celestial dome. Their movement is deliberate, almost stately, following a predictable path as they orbit our planet. Unlike the twinkling stars around them, these satellites maintain a constant brightness, their light unwavering as they journey across the sky. Their visibility is often limited, gracing the sky for a few fleeting minutes, most commonly shortly after sunset or before sunrise. As darkness descends and the stars begin to pepper the sky, a particularly brilliant object often catches the eye, moving with purpose across the celestial canvas. This is no ordinary satellite. This is the International Space Station, a testament to human collaboration and our yearning to explore the cosmos. The ISS, a marvel of engineering and international cooperation, orbits our planet at an altitude of approximately 250 miles, circling the Earth every 90 minutes. Its sheer size allows it to reflect a significant amount of sunlight, making it appear as a bright, steady light, often outshining even the brightest stars in the night sky. For those fortunate enough to witness its passage, it's a humbling reminder of our species' reach into the cosmos. In recent years, a new and somewhat startling addition has joined the celestial tapestry, often provoking gasps of wonder and, at times, concern from those unfamiliar with their origin. These are the Starlink satellites, a constellation of spacecraft launched by SpaceX with the ambitious goal of providing global internet coverage. Witnessing a string of these satellites, especially shortly after their launch, can be a truly remarkable sight. They appear as a line of bright dots stretching across the sky like celestial pearls strung on an invisible thread. Their presence serves as a stark reminder of humanity's growing footprint in space, for better or for worse. Now let me tell you about a celestial phenomenon that is as fleeting as it is captivating: the iridium flare. These brilliant flashes of light, once a common sight in the night sky, are now becoming increasingly rare as the original generation of iridium communication satellites reaches the end of its operational life. These flares, lasting only a few seconds, occur when sunlight strikes the highly reflective antenna panels of an iridium satellite at just the right angle. For a brief moment, the satellite transforms into a dazzling star-like object, its brilliance surpassing even the brightest planets in our solar system. While the era of iridium flares is drawing to a close, their memory serves as a reminder of the ever-changing nature of the night sky. While many nocturnal lights can be attributed to human-made objects, there are observations that defy easy categorization, pushing the boundaries of our understanding and igniting our sense of wonder. These are the reports of unidentified aerial phenomena, or UAPs, often described as objects exhibiting speed and maneuverability far beyond the capabilities of known aircraft or drones. Unlike the steady, predictable movement of satellites, these objects seem to defy the laws of physics, appearing and disappearing in the blink of an eye. Some witnesses describe these objects as exhibiting instant acceleration, going from a standstill to incredible speeds in a fraction of a second. While some argue that these sightings are simply misidentified aircraft, astronomical phenomena, or even hoaxes, the sheer volume and consistency of certain reports continue to fuel speculation and serious inquiry. Among the most perplexing and frequently reported characteristics of unidentified aerial phenomena are maneuvers that seem to defy the laws of physics as we understand them. Imagine an object moving steadily across the sky, maintaining a constant speed and trajectory, much like an aircraft following a predetermined flight path. Suddenly, without warning or any visible change in its velocity, the object makes an instantaneous 90-degree turn, its trajectory shifting from one direction to another in the blink of an eye. These maneuvers, if genuine, would require an extraordinary ability to overcome inertia and G-forces that would be catastrophic for any known aircraft or spacecraft. Yet, witnesses of these events claim the objects in question exhibit no signs of strain, smoothly transitioning from one trajectory to another with effortless grace. The vastness of the night sky, with its infinite depths and countless points of light, has always been a source of wonder and mystery. It is perhaps no surprise, then, that some of the most intriguing and perplexing reports of unidentified aerial phenomena involve objects that seem to appear and disappear at will, their movements defying our understanding of space and time. Imagine two distinct lights originating from opposite horizons converging on a single point in the night sky. As they draw closer, their paths intersect, and for a fleeting moment they seem to merge, becoming one. Then, just as suddenly as they appeared, both lights vanish, leaving no trace behind. While some attempts have been made to explain these events as rare satellite conjunctions or atmospheric illusions, many of these sightings remain unexplained, their true nature shrouded in mystery. The vast majority of unidentified aerial phenomena reports involve passive observation, lights in the sky behaving in ways that defy easy explanation. However, a subset of these encounters takes on a more intriguing and, for some, unsettling dimension, the possibility of interaction between these objects and those who observe them. Imagine standing beneath a canopy of stars, your attention drawn to an unusual light moving silently across the sky. As you watch, the object seems to react to your presence, hovering in place, adjusting its altitude, or even flashing lights as if acknowledging your gaze. Such accounts of observer interaction, while often met with skepticism, form a compelling thread in the tapestry of UAP reports. Could these objects possess a level of awareness or even intelligence that we are only beginning to glimpse? Among the most visually striking and consistently reported unidentified aerial phenomena are those described as large, silent, triangular craft, often observed hovering or moving slowly at low altitudes. These enigmatic objects, frequently reported with lights at each corner, have captured the imagination of witnesses and researchers alike, sparking intense debate about their origin and purpose. Imagine a clear night sky, the stars shining brightly above. Suddenly, a large dark shape emerges from the darkness, its triangular silhouette unmistakable against the backdrop of stars. It moves slowly, almost silently, its presence both awe-inspiring and unsettling. Despite their size, they seem to glide effortlessly through the air, their movements fluid and precise, defying the limitations of conventional aircraft. As we gaze up at the night sky, we are reminded of the vastness of the universe and the countless mysteries it holds. While many night sky sightings are easily explained by the increasing number of satellites orbiting Earth, some phenomena remain outside the bounds of current scientific understanding. Differentiating between known technology and potential UAPs develops a discerning eye. In my own case, I had two extremely rare alien craft sightings. One, a triangular craft that would have been the size of a football field. The other, a white craft that appeared out of thin air and then disappeared moments later. I hope we can sort out, as best we can, human from alien technology in our skies.